So yeah, prior to Yeti, for service verification, we honestly used WhatsApp communication to figure out where crews were, what site they were on, and it was a lot of back and forth and a lot of digging through chats just to kind of go back and see what was even completed. So prior to that, having Yeti, we really struggled to look back and find the data of the sites that were completed. And even looking back at records of a customer asked what time we were on site, it was very timely and costly in office duties to kind of go back and look at this data. So since having Yeti, this has changed and has benefited our company greatly, especially when a customer asks what time we were on site. Even to right now, a lot of our sites, we have the auto notifications. So when we're completed a site, all that data is instantly sent to them. So that's been a huge change for our office admin and just for improving our client relations as well. Prior to Eddie, we spent countless hours, probably almost a full-time job, just recording hours, recording what was completed, mostly off of paper routes. And since Yeti, that has changed a lot. Now we pretty much have one person in the office that checks at the start of the day, midday, seeing where the crews are at. End of the day, everything is automatically sent out to the clients, and then pretty much just recreating the routes for the following day. So it's definitely saved our admin countless hours when it comes to at least scheduling, as also just recording the data that was completed for each day, and then compiling the hours and data for each week is also great, especially in winter for ice melt totals. When it comes time to invoice, rather than looking back through written sheets or text messages, all the quantities are just nicely laid out, as well as in the summer for fertilization, hours on site for landscaping jobs. It's just a simple, easy tool that saves us lots of hours. So yeah, I would say Yeti has saved us the most time when it comes to scheduling our jobs day to day. And as everyone knows, in the landscaping industry, the days change on the fly. So what you have planned for tomorrow usually doesn't happen. But it is easy to instantly change and add sites and update the crews real time. Just that feature of being able to send the property notes, what they're going to be doing, have it scheduled for them, have it routed. You could say it's almost a 200% reduction in time wasted between having to text and call and update and send a new note and write out the details. So having every little detail at the fingertips of the employees within a second is, probably the biggest time saver for us. And it has saved us countless hours. So there definitely is no comparison to Yeti and previous programs that we've used. Yeti is just the simplest, most user-friendly platform that we've come across. There's a reason we've been using it now for, I think, over 4 years. We're able to have 30 trucks on the road and be able to see where each crew is at any given time. We're able to see the jobs completed, the data tracking. It makes life so much easier, and I would highly recommend any company, even if you're one employee, to start with Yeti. It would have been something we would have loved to implement at the early stages of this company. It did take us a while to adapt to it. Being in business already for almost 13 years, we added it in, and since then we've never looked back. Yes, we have definitely seen our sites increase. Big part of Yeti is definitely with the property managers being able to get the live updates of our site, of our crews on site. So I think in our industry, a big part of the landscaping world and the snow removal world is the communication. So when these clients get a notification that our crews are on site, it saves them having to call us. Now these managers look at our company and say, we don't have to call Donewell, we don't have to follow up to see if their crews are there. We get these alerts, we know when they'll be there, we know that they're on site, we see the before photos, we see the after photos.